If you need to share a Mailchimp template quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Mailchimp template step by step so you can send it to a teammate, client, or anyone who needs access. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps a lot of your email marketing tools, including your template library. Next, click on Email Templates. This will take you to the section where all of your saved and created templates are stored. If you have multiple templates, this is the place where you can browse through them and choose the one you want to share. Now click on the Save tab. This shows your saved templates, which is what you'll need if you want to share an existing design instead of starting from scratch. Once you find the template you want to send, click the drop-down arrow next to it. Mailchimp gives you a few options here, so make sure you choose the correct template before continuing. From the drop-down menu, click Share Template. This opens the sharing page for that specific template where you can choose how you want to send it out. On the sharing screen, you'll see an option to enter an email address. Type in the email of the person you want to share the template with. Make sure the address is correct, especially if you're sending it to a client or another team member. After entering the email, click Share Template. Mailchimp will send the template access to that person so they can view or work with it, depending on the permissions available. If you want to share it in a different way, Mailchimp also gives you the option to share by URL. Click Share by URL and Mailchimp will generate a shareable link for the template. This is helpful if you want to copy the link and send it through email, chat, or a project management tool. Finally, copy the URL and share it wherever you need. That's it. Your Mailchimp template is now shared and ready to be accessed by others. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.